What if AI isn't just a threat? What if it could be one of the greatest allies that architect has ever had? We've already looked at the dangers of AI in architecture.
Job loss, standardization, loss of meaning.
In today's video, I want to show you real ways how AI can make your life easier, your designs better, and your work more sustainable, without losing what makes it human. Better collaboration, communication, and decision-making. One of the most overlooked benefits of AI in architecture is how it improves collaboration. Architecture is never done in isolation. It's a constant dialogue between architects, clients, engineers, contractors, planners, and communities. Miscommunication has always been one of the biggest sources of the project's delays, cost overruns, and mistakes. AI is starting to change that. AI-powered tools like Autodesk Forma or SpaceMaker allows teams to share a single source of truth for the project. Changes happen in real time, so when a structural engineer adjusts a beam or a mechanical engineer reroutes ductwork, the system instantly detects clashes and suggests fixes. According to a 2025 Autodesk report, integrating AI into BIM reduced clash-related errors by 30% across early stages design and coordination. This isn't just about convenience, it's about preventing costly mistakes on site. A clash detected early may cost a few minutes to fix digitally, but if it's discovered during the construction, the same mistake can cost thousands and can delay project by weeks. Another huge advantage is client communication. Not every client is comfortable reading plans or 3D models. Miscommunication is quite common. They think they are getting one thing, but the reality is very different once building is constructed. AI can generate immersive walkthroughs, instant renders, even VR environments early in the design stage. This helps clients to see the design, ask better questions, and give clearer feedback. In a recent case study from OpenAsset, a firm reported that using AI-generated VR walkthroughs during early client meetings reduced design revision cycles by nearly 40%. The clients made informed decisions upfront, which meant fewer costly changes later. AI also brings predictive power to the table. By analyzing huge datasets from the past projects, building performance data, local planning, or even social patterns, AI can forecast how design will perform long before the construction starts. For example, AI can predict where bottlenecks may occur in a school during peak hours, or how a shopping center will handle pedestrian flow. It can even simulate financial feasibility, helping architects present data-driven arguments to developers and councils. This doesn't just improve efficiency, it builds trust. When clients and collaborators see clear, data-backed options, the decisions become faster and less emotional. Everyone is just working towards the same vision, with fewer surprises along the way. Speed, efficiency, automation. One of the biggest wins from AI is speed.
Turn me the f*** up, y'all. Watch this shit right here, y'all.
Not that speed. Tasks that once took hours and days can now be done in minutes, freeing you to focus on more strategic and creative parts of the project. Research from OpenAsset, AI in Architecture Benefits Use Cases and Examples, says that about 60% of architects surveyed said improved efficiency was one of the largest benefits of AI. AI tools are already automating repetitive tasks like initial floor plan drafting, building regs compliance checks, environmental simulations. Another example is that Zaha Hadid architects use generative AI to produce winner proposals quickly for competition stages, which increases early stages productivity significantly. Research study interactive design by integrating a large pre-trained language models and building information modeling, Jaya method, showing that integrating GPT-type models with BIM tools like Revit allows for more dynamic interaction, faster iterations, and clearer communication between design intent and technical drawings. Imagine having a tight deadline, lots of constraints, and lots of design iterations. With AI, you can test dozens of variations almost instantly. That experimentation becomes affordable. You can try bold things without wasting tons of time. Let's be clear, embracing AI doesn't mean giving up creativity or craftsmanship. Rather, it means using powerful tools to free up time, enhance precision, and explore more ideas. Education, skill upgrades, and future-proofing. To truly benefit from AI, architects need to evolve, not just their tools, but their skills and mindset. AI isn't just a piece of software you plug in and forget. It's a collaborative partner, and that requires new literacy. just like when CAD replaced the drafting tables. And why skill upgrading matters. In the near future, practices will need architects that can speak both languages, the traditional design language and the emerging AI-driven one. This includes skills like prompt engineering, data ethics, and integrating AI outputs into BIM workflows responsibly. A 2025 paper in Frontiers in Built Environment found that students who integrated AI tools into their design education produced more creative and innovative work, but only when given clear guidance and a structured learning environment. Without proper training, many students created shallow and unrealistic designs. With the right guidance, AI helped them to explore the ideas more deeply, instead of relying on them too much. But this is not just for the students. Practicing architects also need to invest in lifelong learning. Firms like Gensler and Foster & Partners are already offering in-house AI workshops to upskill their teams. Some professional organizations, including RIBA, are rolling out CPD modules specifically focused on ethical AI use and digital literacy. This training doesn't just protect jobs, it makes architects more competitive. Imagine being the team member who can quickly generate AI-driven feasibility studies, or can guide the client through AI-generated sustainability simulation. This kind of expertise will be in high demand. The real goal isn't just to become the machine operator, it's to keep human at the center of architecture. AI can handle the repetitive technical tasks, but only humans can bring the cultural sensitivity, emotional intelligence, and narrative meaning to the project. As one researcher put it, AI can support the architect, but it cannot replace the architect's ability to create places that resonate with human experience. By embracing AI as a partner and investing in new skills, architects can future-proof their careers while shaping how the technology is being used. The next generations of architects won't just design buildings, they will design the systems that design buildings. Better design quality, sustainability, and performance. Another major area where AI is helping is performance, sustainability, and the overall quality of the design. AI can crunch big data, simulate environmental conditions, optimize the building orientation, use of energy and materials. Things that used to require a specialist consultant or tedious back-of-envelope work. Research from Systematic Review, The Role of AI in Architectural Design, finds that AI helps in spatial planning, generative design, and performance-based analysis. These allow more sustainable architecture and better responsiveness to environmental and user needs. Case study of how AI is making buildings more energy efficient, for example 45 Broadway in Manhattan. Using BrainBox AI, they reduced the HVAC energy consumption by 15.8%, saved money, reduced carbon emissions. Another one is that tools in Autodesk and other BIM and digital twin platforms allow architects to simulate lighting, energy, daylight, and thermal comfort early in design, or even monitor building performance once built. These tools don't just make the buildings more green, they make them perform better, cost less over time, and reduce waste. As environmental regulations tighten and clients care more about sustainability, these are competitive advantages. Enhanced creativity, idea generation, exploration. AI isn't just about automating, it's about expanding what's possible. It can push you into the styles, forms, and solutions you wouldn't have thought of, helping you to ideate more freely. Research from OpenAsset: 57% of architects responded that AI enhances their creativity. 53% said AI unlocks new creative workflows. Another research, embracing artificial intelligence in architectural education. Case studies in Saudi Arabia showed that students who used AI-supported methods, hybrid or interactive, came up with more innovative and creative results than conventional design studios. Also, prompting engineering research, using customized GPT to develop prompting proficiency in architectural AI-generated images demonstrates that with structured guides and support, architects and students become more fluent in guiding AI to produce high-quality, context-appropriate images. This both improves creative control and confidence. This means spending less time feeling stuck and more time pushing boundaries. AI can be your brainstorming partner, offering suggestions, reinterpretations, mashups that ignite your imagination. Conclusion. So yes, AI does pose risks, but there is a bright side. AI can be a powerful enhancer, making your designs better, more precise, sustainable, and creative, helping you work better, faster, and with more joy. In the end, architecture that uses AI won't only deliver better buildings, but also more meaningful architecture, the one where you still guide the story. If you are architect or student, don't fear AI. Learn it, shape it, and make it your ally. Because the future of architecture doesn't have to be human versus AI. It can be human plus AI. Tell me in the comments what AI tool have you used that made a real difference. What's one area you wish AI could help you more? And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so we can keep exploring how we can stay more creative and inspired in an AI era. So, see you in the next one.